Hi everyone and welcome back to this series in Rakuten Trade. So if you are new to Rakuten Trade, that means you haven't signed up for an account, created your cash upfront account, and activated your foreign market trading account and deposited funds into your account. I'll put the links above and below to the previous tutorial videos and also the links to sign up for an account. So now back to today's video and the actual action in Rakuten Trade, which is to buy shares in the foreign market, and more specifically buying our shares in the US market. So before we dive right in, if you haven't liked and subscribed to this channel and video, you can do them below. So we'll be doing the trade on the PC in the Rakuten Trade website. So let's go to the watch list where I've saved some stocks. So I'm going to buy some TLRY shares. So we're going to tap the buy button on the far right. Then in the buy order, you can see your trading limit. That means how much funds you have that you can trade with. In this case, I can only buy shares amounting up to $142.02 in value. You'll see what I mean further on. Select the account and currency you want to use. In this case, I'll be using the cash upfront account and US dollar. Then under the limit price and quantity, key in respectively. Then key in the 6-digit trading pin. Then confirm order. In the next section here, confirm order, we have the stock ticker, action type, order type, currency, quantity, validity, limit price, and estimated net amount. So in this trade, for example, I'm buying 50 units of TLRY at a price of $270 per share. Then click submit. Then in the order result section, the order has been submitted with the order number given. So I'm going to view order status by clicking this button. In the order status tab, the buy order for my TLRY trade is currently stated as acknowledged. That Rakuten Trade is still finding a seller to sell to me the 50 shares at $2.70. Then once the order has been matched, I receive an email that the trade has been done and completely filled. So back in the dashboard under US foreign markets, it shows today's order status for cash upfront. All orders have been matched. Then you can double check further your match order by going to the My Portfolio tab. In My Portfolio in Rakuten Trade, there is now 50 shares of TLRY. You can also see the total market value, average acquisition price, reference market price in MYR, market price in USD, and unrealized profit or loss. I like it that they show the price not only in US dollar but also in MYR. And in the event you want to sell, you roughly know how much you are getting back in ringgit as well. So thumbs up. So that's it. It's a full tutorial on how to buy a share in the US market. Anyway, for more in property, investment, finance, and home care, you can follow me on my social media. I'll put the links below in the description. And you can also like this video and subscribe to this channel below to stay tuned for more.